This is the summary created from the video, Cloud Computing Architecture. The lecture kicks off with an overview of cloud computing architecture, initially focusing on high-level architectural approaches before delving into more detailed aspects. The discussion starts with a basic introduction to cloud architecture and an examination of the high-level view and zero-level elements. Business goals are at the core of cloud computing from the user and overall perspective. Consumers, producers, and the overall framework have specific business to achieve, with quality attributes being another key consideration in cloud computing. Total cost of ownership, stakeholder satisfaction, compliance market share, and flexibility are key business goals, while availability, elasticity, and interoperability are critical parameters to manage for achieving those goals. Business goals drive architectural tactics as supporting frameworks, with measuring, monitoring, and properly managing these parameters being vital for goal attainment. Cloud characteristics enable service providers to define business goals across cloud markets, with architectural techniques like stateless design, loose coupling, and broad network access being essential. These characteristics manifest in varied service models like infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS. The major cloud architecture building block is the technical architecture with the SaaS stack and cloud paradigms. The text discusses architectural aspects of cloud computing and SaaS applications and services, mentioning deployment and operational considerations like geolocation checks for data storage. The typical SaaS stack consists of infrastructure, platform, and software as services, with different realizations like public, private, and open source having similar architectural building blocks. The lecture discusses two popular cloud services, Microsoft Windows Azure and Amazon EC2, describing their three-layer architecture of infrastructure, platform, and applications. Azure offers Windows servers and related infrastructure, while EC2 supports both Windows and Linux, with services like S3 storage and a platform layer emulating middleware. Management and security are important vertical stacks spanning multiple layers in cloud architecture. Different services like Azure or EC2 have vertical stacks for security management and CORS components, with the level of security and management depending on the type of service deployment or provisioning scenario. Elasticity is a key cloud characteristic, allowing scaling up or down of resources as needed. Two broad approaches exist: vertical scaling, which suits smaller scenarios and is cheaper initially, but has a single point of failure risk, and horizontal scaling, which is suitable for larger scenarios and enables load distribution across multiple systems for better reliability. Infrastructure and cloud computing realize SaaS through service-oriented architecture, a service-driven approach for infrastructure and PaaS. SOA and cloud computing are combined to realize SaaS, anything as a service, generalizing cloud-related services and referring to their increasing commoditization. The lecture describes various as-service SaaS models like IaaS, PaaS SaaS, and Business Process as a Service BPaaS, which provides business workflows and processes on a subscription basis to organizations. Other SaaS examples include storage, security, database, monitoring, and communication as a service, fulfilling key cloud computing demands like on-demand access and resource pooling. Infrastructure virtualization allows virtualizing networks, storage, and entire infrastructure, with virtual machines requiring an OS to run applications on top of middleware and runtime libraries. Components play varying levels of importance in realizing different as-a-service models, and understanding their roles is crucial for implementation. Organizations utilize distributed systems and seek scalable computing infrastructure. The proposed simplified IT model decouples applications from infrastructure for flexibility, better resource utilization, and ROI through shared infrastructure, aiming to provide diverse SaaS services aligned with modern cloud architecture. While client-server architecture, with a server serving multiple clients, is still valid, it has evolved into service-oriented architecture, allowing heterogeneous services to communicate. Examples of client-server include FTP, Telnet, and SMTP servers with client connections. In summary, key points include business goals like TCO, stakeholder satisfaction, compliance, and market share. Quality attributes like availability, elasticity, and interoperability. Architectural tactics based on business goals driving cloud services. PaaS and SaaS realized via architectural techniques. Management and security as vertical stacks across layers. Elasticity via vertical or horizontal scaling. SOA enabling SaaS models. SaaS models fulfilling cloud demands. Virtualization enabling SaaS models. And a proposed IT shift decoupling apps from infrastructure for flexibility. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.